Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes again with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make colored butter icing. Okay, so here is butter icing without color. I have a video on how to make this. I'll be leaving the video link in the description below, and I'll also be leaving the end screen at the end of this video. Okay, so you go check out how to make your butter icing by hand, like without mixer. Okay, but in today's video, I'll be focusing on how to make colored butter icing. Okay, like how to add colors to your butter icing, because I've gotten a lot of questions on how to do that. So I decided to make a separate video on how you can add, colors to your butter icing. Hope that made sense. So I have icing colors here. This is pink icing color. Hope you guys are seeing this. Hope it's focused. Okay, pink icing color. So this is in a liquid form. Okay, then this is leaf green. Okay, then we have royal blue. This is a different brand. Okay, you have different brands in the market, so just choose the one you want. And this is black. The label is out already. So these are liquid icing colors. Okay, I also have food colors here. I have food colors. These are in powdered form. I also use this for my butter icing, but I don't use it for fondant icing. Why? Because it melts my fondant, so I don't use this for my fondant icing. I only use it for my butter icing. So I'll be showing you guys, how you can also add this. This is food color. This is icing color. Okay, this is best for fondant if you're making fondant. Okay, the icing color is best when you're making fondant. So that being said, I'll be working with this. I'll not be using the black. Okay, I'll be using these 5 colors here. This is red. Okay, this is yellow. This is pink. This is royal blue, and this is leaf green. Okay, so I'll be working with this. So I'm going to be dividing the butter icing. I have 5 colors, and I have 5 plates, so I'll be dividing this butter icing into 5. Okay, shade of your butter icing depends on you. Okay, if you want a light shade of, say, color blue, you're going to be adding very little, okay, to get to that light color. But if you want it dim, okay, that means you're going to add more. So these are how all this work. If you're in Nigeria, this costs 600 naira, but in some locations it might be cheaper. Okay, I stay in Imo State, but places like Lagos, Onisha, you can get this at 500 or even 400 naira. Okay, but for the powdered one, I got this for 50 naira. Okay, so that is that. Different brands of icing color. Okay, this is called Acabado. Honestly, I love Acabado brand. I'm not I'm not advertising for them, but when you see something good, you have to talk about it. I love this brand, Acabado, but it's thicker. Okay, it's thicker. These other ones tend to be lighter, but this is thicker compared to the other ones. So this is Akabado products. I love their products so much. Hey, it's too much, oh. Well, let's leave it at that. This is green. This is almost finished. This is red. So let's start mixing. So this is royal blue. The blue is already popping. Already popping royal blue, 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 blue. So I decided to use food color, okay, to show you guys what it can also give us, okay? Hey, butter icing can be messy, oh. Honestly, it can be messy. It can be messy. This is leaf green. That is our Nigerian green, Abby. Here's leaf green. Icing colors are best, and you'll be sure of the color, okay? You'll be sure of the color. That is why it's best to go for icing colors, because you see the colors written on it and is what you're going to expect, okay? Like this is leaf green. It gave us leaf green, just the color we wanted. So these ones, they tie in nylon. Sometimes you don't see what is written on their on this thing on it. So they give you what they want. You tell them what they want. Like I told them to give me yellow. See what they gave me. And this red is not also bright red. So I use it though, but not always. But please, it's better you go for the icing color itself. Guys, these are the different colors we have. We have pink, green, red, blue. What is this color? Let me know in the comment section. How you can add colors to your butter icing. Okay, so like I said, head over to that video and watch how to make your butter icing. Then you add your colors like I showed you guys in this video. Okay, and I also said it's best you go for the icing color so that you can be sure of what the color you are looking for. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.